Good morning, students. This is your English class, and today I have come up with the discussion of question answers of the chapter in the Kingdom of Fools. This is from your Moments, chapter 4. I'll be giving you points and will be discussing the questions with you all. And with the help of those points, you are going to elaborate your answer. Let's come to first question. Question number 1. What are the two strange things the Guru and his disciple find in the kingdom of fools? Children, as you all know that when the Guru and the disciple reached the kingdom of fools, they found that during the daytime nobody was there in the street. So the points are, people worked at night, slept during the day, everything costed one to do. So the answer, you can write it, the two strange things the Guru and the disciple noticed were that the people and even the animals here, children, even the animals were trained to sleep during the day, and they worked, the whole kingdom worked during the night. They did all their work during the night only. Everything costed one dudu, and which was the currency of that very place. For the fools, everything had the same value. In a way, you can call it, people were not capable of judging the true worth of a thing. Come to question number 2. Why does the disciple decide to stay in the kingdom of fools? Was it a good idea? Yes, children, as you all know that the disciple wanted, the point is there, wanted all the pleasures of life at a low cost. As in the first question, we have already discussed that each thing cost one dudu only, whether it was a valuable one or a low cost or a high cost. Everything, each and everything cost one dudu. So here the disciple had the greed. He thought that he can enjoy the pleasure of life at a low cost. So the disciple liked an easy life and wanted all the pleasures of life at a low cost. The country provided all that he wanted without worrying about anything. The kingdom was providing him with good food and other requirements at a cheap price. So the disciple thought that it's better to stay at the kingdom and enjoy rest of his life. Children, let's come to question number 3. Name all the people who were tried in the king's court and give the reasons for their trial. Again, I have written the points. There were 4 people: merchant, the bricklayer, the dancing girl, and the jeweler. Now, what was the reason for their trial? Let's come to the merchant first. Merchant, children, merchant, he was accused because the wall of his house had fallen on the burglar and killed him. The second is the bricklayer. He had done a poor job and made a weak wall. The third is the dancing girl. She had been walking up and down the street and diverting the attention of the bricklayer who constructed the weak wall long back. And the last one is the jeweler. The jeweler, he delayed the delivery of the item ordered by the dancer and made her come to his shop many times. So children, this is the answer we have discussed today. In my next video, I am going to give you all the rest of the answers, or I am going to discuss the rest of the answers. So with the help of these points, you are going to elaborate your answer and write in your copy. That's all.